there, Jasmine with WTI. Are you looking to take your home gym to the next level? Well, I just did with Rubber King's 3mm 4x6 rubber mats.
These mats are very easy to install. Gravity does all the work for you for the edges of the mat to lay flat. Rubber King's mats are really easy to clean and can be cut down to size and shape for your space and needs. I love the extra bit of stability these mats provide for my workouts and for my gym equipment. It also adds a layer of protection for your flooring, especially if you're using weights or moving your bench around. Use these mats in a variety of ways, like a doormat, under a barbecue, on top of a work table, or under machines.
So if you're ready to customize your home gym or your workspace with rubber flooring, check out Rubber King. It's 100% recycled rubber. It's extremely versatile and it completely levels up your home gym or your workspace game. But that's just my point of view.